Hello students and welcome back. In this video, we will continue a review of our top 200 drugs. We will review the drug name or brand name, the generic name or active ingredient, and then the drug class. So, Icentris generic name is Ratigrapvir, and it belongs to the integrase inhibitor class of HIV medications. Stelara generic name Ustekinumab, it's a monoclonal antibody. Mobic generic name Meloxicam, it's an NSAID, it's a pain reliever. Remicade generic name Infliximab, it's also a monoclonal antibody. Nighttime Benadryl generic name APAP or diphenhydramine. It's a combination of an analgesic and antihistamine. The APAP is the analgesic and the diphenhydramine is an antihistamine. Rendella generic name Savelma is a phosphate binder. Is used in chronic renal failure or dialysis patients is mostly where you'll see it. Fragmin generic name Dalteparin, it's a low molecular weight heparin or an anticoagulant. Zoloft generic name Sertraline, it's an SSRI or antidepressant. Klonopin generic name Clonazepam, it's a benzodiazepine used for anxiety. It's a sedative. Avalide generic name, it's a combination of HCTZ and irbesartan. It is thiazide diuretic and an ARB, angiotensin receptor blocker. That's what ARB stands for. Ceftin generic name Cefuroxime, it's a cephalosporin, it's an antibiotic. Nizoral topical generic name Ketoconazole, it's an antifungal drug. You can see it in a cream or powder form. Lyrica generic name Pregabalin, it's an anticonvulsant. It's also used for diabetic neuropathy or pain. Nexium generic name Esomeprazole, it's a proton pump inhibitor used for peptic ulcer disease or reflux at times. Gastric reflux, that is. Combivent Respimat, it's a combination of albuterol and ipratropium. It's a beta agonist combined with an anticholinergic. The albuterol is the beta agonist and the ipratropium is the anticholinergic. You see that in asthma patients, COPD patients. Next, we have niaspan or niacin, the active ingredient. It's a form of vitamin B3. We have uroxetrol, generic name Alfuzosin, alpha-1 blocker. We have Biaxin, generic name Clarithromycin, it's a macrolide antibacterial drug. We have Zomig, generic name Zomitriptan. It's used for migraines. We have Invokana, generic name canagliflozin. It's an SGLT2 inhibitor, an anti-diabetic drug. We have Saxenda or Victoza, generic name liraglutide. It's a GLP-1 agonist. It's an anti-diabetic. We have Alimta, generic name pemetrexed. It's anti-cancer drug. We have Leutresone, which is a combination of clotrimazole and betamethasone. It's an antifungal corticosteroid combination. We have Avastin, generic name bevacizumab. It's an anti-cancer drug. And that's all for this session. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you found it helpful. And I'll have more top 200 drugs. Thank you.